This is a chi-squared problem, and you can see that they are not making things as straightforward and easy as they have in the past by essentially giving you pieces of information and not necessarily a table to work from. And so we have, it's a survey about your preferred morning snack, choice of apple fruit salad or smoothie, and she surveyed 350 students, 210 were female, so right away that should tell me that 140 were male. That might be useful, not sure, but here we go. Then she's performing the chi-square test at 5% significance to determine whether there's a relationship between the choice of morning snack and gender. State her null hypothesis. Well, what is she trying to prove? Is there a relationship between morning snack and gender? Therefore, her null hypothesis. The choice of morning snack is independent, and that is the key word of the whole thing. If you don't use independent, you will not get the mark. So is the choice of morning snack. The choice of morning snack is independent of gender, is her null hypothesis. State the number of degrees of freedom. Quick way to figure out that is think about how she would make a table for this. She would have males and females, and then she would have what? Apple, fruit salad, or smoothie. So you can see we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the degree of freedom, 2 minus 1 times 3 minus 1 is 2. And when they don't give you the table to figure out the degrees of freedom, I would quickly sketch out what it might look like. 150 students showed a preference to a smoothie. Calculate the expected number of female students who chose a smoothie. So they're basically saying, what is that expected value? And we know that she said that 150 students chose smoothie. So if I were completing my table of totals, I have 150 who chose smoothie. I have 210 who were female, and 350 was the total. And the way we calculate the expected value is to take the 2 totals multiplied divided by the overall total. And that we calculate to be the expected value of 90. And then last, she found the calculated value to be 3.576 and the critical value to be 5.99. State means conclusion. Give your reason for the answer. And so again, we are comparing, is the calculated value less than the critical value? If the answer is yes, we accept. If the answer is no, we reject. And so the calculated value, 3.576, is that less than 5.99? Yes, that's true. State her conclusion. I accept the null hypothesis because the calculated value was less than the critical value. You must have that reason, otherwise you will not get the 2 points.